Happy birthday to my beloved dad and all who are celebrating their birthdays as well. And happy Valentine's Day. We have chicken and rice. Mmm, super yum. And more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, are in this our glorious, gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video. Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. And all my 22 books, yes, 22, are available worldwide, including Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine, cookbook recipes at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes& Noble, all bookstores globally worldwide, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, bscdmscd.com, juanitagutierrez.com. Oh my goodness, come on and eat. Fit for kings and queens like you and me. Chicken and rice. Yum, yum, yum. Adobo. Rice is always the best perfect food for Filipinos in Asia and everywhere as well, especially on birthdays, Valentine's Days, weddings, fit for kings and queens like you and me. Come on and eat. You're all invited to my table. Birthday celebrations. All those are celebrating their birthdays, weddings, graduations, all happy occasions. Happy Valentine's Day as well. And before we do, let's bless our food. Blessing for food. And let me take you to our blessing for food. Mighty I am presence, accept this food, make it pure and holy. Transmute it into thy violet golden flame of divine love, and see that it purifies and perfects all our bodies with the speed of thought forever self-sustained. And that's my I Am God book, written by yours truly, speaking to you about the video, Juanita Gutierrez. Yes, that's me, Miss Gutierrez, speaking to you about the video, available at juanitagutierrez.com and all bookstores near you, and at my two websites, juanitagutierrez.com, juanitagutierrez.com. Come on and eat. This is fit for kings and queens like you and me. Let's celebrate. Oh my goodness. For you and me and all of us. Yummy as. Mmm. Always super delicious. And by the way, this is your spoon and fork, and let's have for you and me and all of us. Yummiest. Mm. Super delicious. Sweet and sour with spicy. Excuse me, please. For you and me and all of us. Yum. Mm. I would like to add some more of the spices, black pepper. Wow. Come on and eat. This is napakasarap. Super sarap. Super delicious. That's in Tagalog and in English as well. For you and me and all of us. Yum. Mm. Let's have some rice. This is really super flavorful. For you and me and all of us. Mm. One of my favorites of my mom always cooked. Excuse me, please. and more delightful food recipes in Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora, Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter speaking to you over the video. Miss Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, and my mom's cookbook along with my 22 books are available in Kindle and paperback as well. Kindle means you could upload, or ebook, you could upload my mom's cookbook and all my 22 books quickly in your computer. Kain na po tayo in the Tagalog language. Come on and eat. Happy birthday. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy weddings. Happy graduation. Happy every day. Come on and eat. This is super delicious. Enjoy. Happy cooking in the Tagalog language. Masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat.